Network Entertainment.
Nung time na yun, wala man kaming 100 eh.
Oh, wow.
You know,
So,
everyone talaga.
Wait, so back to that, no? Anong ginawa mo, Toti? What did he do to impress you?
Di ko alam, baka masama lang taste ka.
thank you, Han. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
We gotta edit that.
Oh my
Joke! Episode over.
Sabi ko,
Joke lang.
motor na lang pag-usapan. Wag na to. Valentine's na to.
Welcome.
Oh, yun. Now we're live. All right. So, Steph, welcome. Actually, all of you and Ken left me behind here
Yeah.
in the Philippines. You guys all came back from Thailand.
Yeah.
As in, literally, you just got back
2 nights ago?
2 nights ago.
Yeah.
Ikaw, last night.
Ako din parang
Sana
Last
yung
night
pictures of Thailand. Dami nating pictures doon, sayang.
Mas
Oo.
maraming mga Thailand pictures ngayon.
Wow, okay.
Because,
Surprise!
why, Steph? What episode is tonight?
well, this is our Valentine's Day episode, so very, very special to. For tonight's guest, we have the power couple of the motorcycle industry. We have, of course, the Albertos, Miss Joy and Sir Toti. Welcome to our WWR studio. And of course, Tunay na Rider.
Hello, hello.
Can we just talk about motorcycles like our Thailand, right?
No.
Hindi ka makakatakas dito kasi
Pinapawisan ako.
yung mga questions namin.
Tayo expert dito eh.
Si Steph made a list of like 20 questions.
Yeah, ang dami. Kasi ano sila eh, dahil nga couple goals sila, syempre paglaki ko gusto ko maging katulad nila. Lalaki pa ako. Pwedeng not by height siguro. But yun, so ang dami kong pinipare kasi I'm very interested to know their love story and how the Albertos
Kaya
came
naman,
about.
kasama ka namin sa Thailand. Sana tinanong mo na doon. Kailangan pa on air.
Sinira ko talaga yun, pero dito. Syempre, simulan natin from the start, diba? So, how did your love story began 31 years ago?
30 pa lang.
30. Ngayon,
Sana may
magsa-celeb-
31.
Iba ikaw may kasalanan nito pag natuloy.
This is the best Valentine's Day episode ever. Kasi ang daming ano, di ba? Parang, how did that happen? That's all when I first met Toti and Joy. I'm like, how? Ang galing naman talaga ni Toti. He puts his mind to something. Diba, siguro ang dami ng kalaban doon sa track of love. Pero si Toti pa rin nauna. Paano nangyari yon, Toti? Or maybe Joy. Joy is the better.
Hindi, tanungin natin si Toti para malaman ko kung alam niya talaga yung
Paano nangyari yun?
Saan talaga ako kung aabot pa to nung 31st
Hindi ka pa naka-Ducati nun, di ba?
Well, since this is about bikes, no, let's focus on the bike. Well, when Joy was in college, he was in youth. And during the 80s, 90s,
Tama hindi 80s, 90s yun.
being a big bike rider wasn't that,
Not as popular.
not as popular and kind
As
of,
accepted.
it wasn't accepted.
Hindi ka pa pogi nun kapag naka-big bike
Hindi ka pa pogi.
Bad
nun.
boy yun, diba?
Bad boy.
Diba?
And hindi ko sinabi sa kanya na may motor ako.
Totoo yun, totoo. Kasi kung alam ko yun,
Ah!
yeah, it was a secret. He didn't tell me. Kami na, actually, when
No,
I
pero
found out.
no, my question is, not nun kayo na, paano nagiging kayo? Because that's the mind-boggling question for me.
Actually, inisip ko pa rin yun hanggang ngayon.
So what did you do? Ano
Hindi
the
ka ba
moves?
sure?
Tips, man.
Kunyari, super bite ako talaga.
Kunyari.
Yan ang ano.
Okay.
Ang height nung ma-expose ako was So this big biker guy was riding to UP, no? And then from afar, nakita ko na siya. Ako, shish, kilala ko to. Di ba?
Okay,
Ganon.
okay.
Tapos dun sa mga sa classmates si Joy, alam mo, I really hate that guy because kasama sa hazing nung brother niya. Something like that.
Okay, okay.
Tapos, nung nakita ko siya malapit, pumalikod ako. Tapos yung guy, Toti!
Kaibigan mo pala.
Nagtatago
Ikaw
ako.
yung nasa big bike?
Hindi,
Hindi, iba.
Ah, iba.
Kaibigan pala niya. Hindi yan sinasabi nga na
Kaibigan.
Hindi pa
nagmamotor
niya
siya.
sinasabi na nagmumotor siya.
Kasi nga, nung padating pa yung guy, galit na sila doon sa guy. Tapos mamaya nung tinatawag ko, talikod ako, nagtatago ako.
Pero kunyari, hindi kayo magkakilala.
Oo, nagkukunyari ako na hindi ko siya kilala. And I didn't even tell Joy na I owned the bike. Let
At the end of
alone.
the time, no, parang everyone with a motorcycle knew everyone.
Yes.
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 Oo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Helmet lang at saka motor. Alam mo
Yeah.
na yun.
Pag napadaan sa harap mo, kilala mo na yun.
Oo.
Alam mo yun. Oo.
Kasi ngayon, there's thousands eh. Nung time na yun, wala man kaming 100 eh.
Oh, wow.
You know,
So-
everyone talaga.
Wait, so back to that, no? Anong ginawa mo, Toti? What did he do to impress you?
Di ko alam, baka masama lang taste ka.
Thank you, Han. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
That's our clip of the week. You gotta edit that.
Oh my
Joke,
God.
Episode over. May bago na tayo.
Sabi ko,
Joke lang.
motor na lang pag-usapan. Huwag na itong Valentine's na to.
The one thing I know about Toti is when he sets his mind to something, iba talaga yung discipline to pursue and accomplish that objective. Did you have that kind of mindset when it came to Joy?
Yeah, sabi ko, nung time na yon, marami na akong trophy. Kailangan makuha ko to.
Oh my gosh, trophy wife pala si Miss Joy.
No, I think, joking aside, I think we just click. You know when you find someone that you'll really click? I think that was us. Medyo bata pa ako noon, mas matanda siya. Nauto niya talaga.
What made you click?
I don't know. We really just click.
No, because up until now, it seems like you guys really are made for each other.
Okay,
With all the
fine.
kulitan
I'm
and
gonna
all
tell
that,
you
no?
na nga the truth.
Oh.
I'm super patient talaga.
Yun talaga.
sobrang
Itatanong ko
matiisin
sana
talaga.
Itatanong ko sana yung secret nila to have this long-lasting relationship. Sinagot na pala ni Miss Joy.
Patience.
Patience pala talaga.
No, I think we're
Talagang
patient.
magaling ako magtiis, magpasensya.
Ito din pala.
Kaya umabot kami sa ganito.
Both sides. Yung
Oo.
patience.
I think, we really complement each other. Just to be, that's kind of the truth. Diba?
Okay, sabi mo eh. Tama naman papagbigay.
No, we're really just, yun lang. We just really click and I think it's really, yun nga. Kami. Of course, it's not a perfect marriage, right? But we just really take turns na lang. Sometimes masungit siya, which is most of the time.
Yeah.
Magtiis na lang ako konti. And then pag it's my turn naman, magtiis rin siya.
Alam mo, bait-bait ko talaga. Nakita mo niyo yung cover, di ba? Imagine, we had our 30th wedding anniversary. Pinag-track day ko siya. Imagine that. Nakakitang ganong kabait na asawa.
Grabe,
Pinag-track day ko
grabe.
si Joy. 30th wedding anniversary.
Were you happy about
track
that?
day.
Sabi ko nga asa ka kung may 31 ka pa talaga.
I think it's a Homer Simpson bought
Yeah.
Marge Simpson,
You
a
know
bowling
what?
ball with Homer on it.
When
That's
we were-
exactly
When we were
Homer
younger,
Alberto. Diba?
when we were younger, when I'd get pregnant, when I give birth pala, he'd give me a gift. So the first time I gave birth, which is to TJ, he gave me a jet ski, which I like naman, which I
Okay.
like. I'm
I
really,
don't think anyone would not like that.
I'm really into that. So, at saka bonding namin yon jet ski.
Oo.
Pero mas maganda yung second kid namin. On our second kid, nirigaluhan na naman ako. So sweet. Guess what he gave me?
Go for it.
He gave me a car.
Wow.
Guess what car?
Evo.
An Evo.
I guess
Yeah, you guessed it.
Diba?
Hindi
Yun ang,
yung Evo
yun ang
5.
ladies car,
Evo 5.
diba?
Diba?
Evo
Oh.
5 RS, yung rally version, diba? Oh, it's a ladies
Tapos,
car.
nabuntis
It's a
ako.
ladies' car.
Tapos, nabuntis ako kaagad. Right after the second child, I got pregnant again with Troy. So, syempre, laki ng tiyan ko. Tapos, he tell me, huwag mo na yan gamitin kasi you're pregnant. Ako na lang yan. Kotse ko yan. Regalo mo yan sa akin. So, yun. Very, very Homer Simpson style, diba?
Yeah. So what are you giving this year?
Oh, hindi na ako magka-pregnant.
For this anniversary. Kasi baka I
Baka
heard you're
magpa-track
expecting
day
some
ulit.
motocross bikes.
Oh.
Ako mag-gift.
Ah. Pwede. Gusto raw niya mag-Mongolia ride eh. So, maybe I can give her
Motocross bike to practice on.
like
The Ducati Cross 450.
450.
Yeah.
Diba?
Galing yung
Okay.
Jordan.
So bagay talaga. I mean, ako, I give my wife like my old video card. Mga ganon.
But,
So it really, so, I mean, you appreciate these gifts.
oh,
You enjoy these
Yeah,
gifts.
yeah. I enjoy using it with Toti naman. I enjoy it.
Okay, so they're not selfish gifts, Toti. You just found the right person who would appreciate the
Yung
life
mga
that
gift.
you
But
enjoy.
but when he gives you a gift and then tells you, don't use it.
Ay, iba yun.
Ako na lang. Iba yun, di ba?
I don't do that naman. No?
When did you find out that motorcycle siya? Was it really a negative for you when you found
I
out he
think
was riding?
It definitely wasn't a plus.
Okay.
It wasn't a plus. I mean, not as if I'd fall for a guy that was the reason for me falling for a guy. So it wasn't a plus.
Okay.
So I found out we were going out na, we were together na. Siguro mga, a few weeks after lang naman. Few weeks after. Sabi niya, meet me naman in Green Hills. I have something to show you. Tapos, habang hinihintay ako sa may McDonald's, biglang dumating.
Oh my
Naka-FZR.
gosh.
Tama ba?
Naka-helmet, hindi.
Naka-helmet.
Naka-helmet. Okay.
Naka-members only jacket.
Ay, hindi. Giordano.
Ganun ang kalight ang gear dati. Wala namang gear dati. So you just have to, like you'd have to go to Hong Kong to buy your own helmet.
Oh.
Tapos you just wear your Giordano jacket, which you buy in Hong Kong also. Tapos, pag stop ko sa McDonald's, may kasama pang endo.
Naman! ano yung first reaction mo doon when you saw like Toti doing the endo?
Nauto na naman. No, but syempre, diba? I'm impressed. He's
Like,
really,
wow.
hindi nga talaga. Hindi nga bonus yun.
Like,
Bonus, I mean, hindi talaga siya. Okay. It's really not a plus for me at that time.
At that time.
Yeah.
No, because-
It's really different now kasi compared to before. I mean, maybe because I grew up in my parents were very conservative.
Mm.
And probably they were telling me that
Don't marry this guy.
That's a great okay. That's a great segue.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna jump to my hypothesis later. Pero what was the reaction of your parents?
Syempre, hindi nila talaga.
Favorite.
Are
Si
you
Tati,
sure?
pasagot mo. Tati, ano?
Tati, oh.
Ngayon, favorite. Sige, favorite na kayong lahat. Now my parents love Tati.
No, pero okay, sorry.
Now lang ha.
Now,
Take
now,
note.
now.
Now lang ha.
How
Now.
How long before you introduced him to your parents? How long were you going out? And what was the reaction?
I introduced them naman right away. Because we were neighbors so very convenient to come and visit me and pick me. So
Yeah.
I introduced him right away. But
Tingnan mo yung mukha niya.
Nag-hesitate siya ng
he was so loved.
Ano yung reaction? Please share.
Siyempre hindi nila yun gusto.
Nung nakita niya, nag-endo ba siya o nag-wheelie?
My parents, I have very conservative parents. I think riding for them, like what I said nga earlier, riding, I think, during that time, was for bad boys.
Oh. But here's my question.
Diba?
Since
Ngayon naman hindi na, ito naman.
nagko-contemplate na siya. But since both of you now love motorcycles, you enjoy it together, it's your passion together, How did that came to be? Kunyari, when did the love for and the bond for motorcycles start? Since ayaw mo nun before, how did it start? Paano ka na into motorcycles na din?
Well, sabi ko nga, hindi siya plus, pero nung nakita ko nagmamotor siya,
Tinuruan ka ba
sama
niya?
naman ako lagi. Madali naman ako pilit.
So,
Official
no pilit
back ride.
required. Yeah. Sama naman ako lagi.
No, parang but really, because you come from a very conservative family, and then I have a lot of friends na ganon. But because of the conservativeness, you're looking for adventure.
Yeah.
You're looking for that wild ride. Si Toti yun.
Wow.
Diba?
Wild ride.
Because
Wild ride.
I think you're I think you crave the same kind of challenges and adventures as Toti eh. That's why you guys sing eh.
I enjoy
The adrenaline of being with Toti.
I enjoy being adventurous. I enjoy being out. I enjoy being with people.
I remember stories of you guys talking. I mean, it wasn't all your lives when you're always on nice motorcycles. You also backroad with Toti
And
on simple
yeah,
motorcycles. at the
in
time.
local
So,
motorcycles.
In local motorcycles. Can you tell us something about yung adventures niya before?
Experience niya.
Lahat ng motor pwede sakyan, pwede mag-go together, 'di ba? Ano? ano yan? Anong reaction yan?
No, medyo naalala ko before, no. So imagine yung new boyfriend niya, rider, na nung time na yun,
Akala ko
negative.
ibang tao siya.
Negative yung
Napaisip ako. Okay.
yung outlook ng tao noon. Tapos when I found out na yung dad niya was into politics. So one day, I went there, may dala akong duffel bag of guns. Pinabentang ko yung daddy niya. Naisip ko, medyo parang,
Motor! Ngayon, baril!
Guns, guns, gold, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba?
imagine mo,
Good impression talaga.
Airsoft. For the record, airsoft.
Imagine mo yung daughter mo may boyfriend. Tapos pag-uwi mo, Dad, he's asking if you want to buy this. Sabi, nasa lamesa.
How long is the relationship before you can sell guns to your in-laws? I'm just curious for people to know.
Hindi pa nga in-laws yan.
I mean, before
Yeah.
your girlfriend's parents.
But I think new pa lang kami noon eh, 'di ba?
Sinabi mo na, huwag mong papakasan niya yung hype na yan.
Hindi ko
Nakakahiya
ma-imagine.
talaga. Kaya nga ngayon naisip ko, kung
Kaya pala quiet ka dyan.
kung ako yon ngayon,
Actually, no, that's a great. You guys have a daughter also,
Yeah.
right? Who's into she's into tech and startups. What if she brought home somebody like that?
Si dad na mag-deal sa kanya.
What
Kaya
was
na ni
your
Dad yan.
reactions, B, Sir Toti?
basta ako, one time, yung daughter ko, may date.
Mm.
So, ginawa namin, sa table, nilagay namin yung mga ganyan. Tapos,
Anong ganyan?
nililinis ko.
Alam mo,
Tapos pagpasok ng date, syempre, testing mo, the dry fire mo.
oh my God.
Sira.
Hindi na bumalik yung guy na yun.
You actually did that?
No, sira.
Diba yan, gullible pa naman ako.
Okay, so we asked and I want to ask Toti, what is it about Joy naman that made you talaga pursue it and for the last 30 years be this dedicated husband, father? That's a long race, man.
Well, ako ang dream ko kasi maging stand-up comic. Ang maganda dito, biling-biling talaga yung jokes ko. Kaya happy akong kasama siya.
Bentang-benta.
I think that's enough. Yung ganong setup. Kasi in 30 years, masaya kayo, di ba? Na
Actually, tinanong ko yun eh. Sabi ko, talagang mahal mo ba ako? Sabi niya, yeah. Parang not convincing eh.
half-hearted pa siya na.
Yeah, gano'n. You know, you always make me laugh. I'm so happy with you. Oh, talaga, ha?
Yun pala. Ang nakapagbighani sa puso ni Miss Joy. But of all your riding experiences, share niyo naman yung best moments of riding nyo together. Kasi not all couples who ride are riding together. I mean, may maraming lalaki na they cannot bring their wives, they cannot bring their girlfriends, na magmotor together. So kayo, since you have so many experiences na nagmumotor, what's the best one?
Okay. Nakita ko yung comment eh.
Ni TJ.
Hello mga
Alberta.
idol, si Boss Toti, number 1 bolero.
Number one supporter niya yan.
So, okay. So,
Pa-shut up, idol.
since siya yung nag-comment, sige, sasabihin ko, hindi yung best.
Kahit iniiwan mo yung mga anak mo sa bundok, yan.
Para lang
Idol ka pa rin,
Yung worst time of riding for me, nakasama ko siya, was in one of our trips in the States, no? So, binaback ride ko siya. And then, Joy wouldn't last 30 minutes. Remember that? And then, when we ate, nasusuka siya. So, tataka ako. We'd go to Filipino restaurants. Favorite niya, sinigang, nasusuka siya. Kasi everything she had, nasusuka siya. And then, we found out she was pregnant with TJ. Yan. At ang comment is, yung sabi, number bolero yan.
Sabi day trip, pero 5 days ang
That's the best, right? Bibili na lang ng damit sa SM.
Kung saan mapapadaan.
That's very true. That's very true for us. I think, ano nga kami, bahala na. So, siguro kaya niya ako lagi sinasama. Kasi pag kasama niya ako, wala na siyang problema. Hindi niya kailangan tumawag, hindi niya kailangan
That's
mag-report,
true.
hindi niya kailangan magsabi na mag-extend ako. Wala pa naman schedule. Laging bahala na. So, pag kasama ako, okay lang.
And we
Yeah,
also
kasi-
prefer it kasama ka kasi it becomes more decent a person. Mas mabait siya kung
Mas
kasama
tame
ka.
si Sir Toti, no?
Pero even
With
with
Miss
her as a
Joy.
back ride, we still can't keep up with Toti. We
Wait.
still-
Can I point something out? Kanina, medyo, pansin niyo, may konting distance. Medyo si Toti was kind of guarded. Pero habang nagkikwento,
Papalapit
lang
na
malapit.
palapit.
Oh, di ba? Wait, baka may Maserati ka next year.
Ayoko na. Ayoko.
Oh, Steph, what else do we want to
You
know?
No, but that's the most memorable. How about the...
No, that's your... is that your most memorable?
Most memorable kasi parang, syempre, Joy was my riding buddy. Inaangkas ko siya palagi. Tapos during that time, nagulat ako, she couldn't last 30 minutes on the bike. I mean, sa Amerika, smooth na yung freeways doon, canyons doon, smooth. Hindi kami makago. Tapos yun pala, she had TJ that time.
Oh.
So si TJ, hindi pa pinapanganak,
Nagbumotor
nagbumotor
Right
na.
na.
Yun pala
Actually,
yun.
nag-stop lang yata ako nun siguro mga 5 months na. 6 months.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
you're still riding.
Mm.
Ano to? Nung time na yon, si Rod Chua na-meet namin. Tapos sabi ni Rod Chua, meron silang sinasabi, Toti Alberto magaling daw magmotor. Tapos, papunta kaming Lagro. There was a drag race there na manonood lang ako.
Disclaimer.
Tapos, kwento ni Rod na while in Quezon Circle, I'd corner, nagsaspark yung bike kay Todolin. And then yung back ride daw, hahawakan yung ground. Tapos yun, nakilala kami ni Rod.
Ginawa niya yun? With gloves naman, With
Siyempre naman.
Nung kakas ko si Joy, we would knee drag, two up.
Knee drag.
Yan ang
Yeah.
time nung 90s.
Dati, wheelie, pag land endo.
Oh my...
With back ride.
Yeah.
What?
Kaya nga ngayon, wheelie na lang, diba?
Yeah.
Dati wheelie, landing, endo.
I caught up with them nga. We were in Chiang Mai the last weekend. I could hear, I could visualize. Toti, huwag ka na makipagkarera. Huwag ka na makipag-racing yung back ride.
Tsaka out of nowhere, nag-wheelie sila with back ride. Grabe.
We didn't have a car, my wife and I, before we got married. The day after we got married, she's like, baka pwede na tayo bumili ng kotse. So I see like how riding with my wife has really brought us close together.
Yeah.
Iba eh, when
Yeah.
it rains, you're both getting wet. Pag
Yeah.
mainit, pareho kayo napapawisan.
Yeah.
Wondering what's 30 years of riding together? How does that make you guys gel as a couple?
Ikaw, sagutin mo kaya.
Hindi ko talaga masagot. Pero for me, ang test talaga, like, we went around Europe, 2 up. Wala kaming kotse, naka-Ducati bike lang kami.
With saddlebags.
Two saddlebags and a backpack. Nag-last kami 2 weeks on the road. Ang saya. As in,
No reservation, bahala na. Wala naman booking.com dati. Bahala na. Kung pag nighttime na, tired na kami, we'd walk into a hotel, small hotels, and see if they can take us in. Parang ganyan.
We're using a map at the time.
Yeah. Literal.
Map.
Paper map. Yeah.
ganito po. Ganyan ako.
Nice.
Alam mo yung bakit? Kasi yung back ko,
Doon ipapatong yung map. Figure out saan
wala
kayo
pang
pupunta.
mobile phone, wala
Oo,
pang
wala.
GPS ng time na yun. So, pag tinulak niya akong gano'n, ibig sabihin, papatong niya yung map. Kailangan ko gumanyan.
Kasi
Tas-
search ko saan kami pupunta.
Oh.
So, and I think that's it. Eh.
Yeah.
I mean, walang arte. You guys can just get on a bike, explore together, and it doesn't matter where you're going. It
Diba?
doesn't matter. You don't need a Shangri-La.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? That already is the filter for you guys to be together.
As long as you're together, everything's okay.
Yeah.
Kiss nga, kiss.
Diba sabi
Pinale ba yan?
May request si Raymond Gabriel, kiss daw, Toti. Valentine's kiss. Oh!
Okay. So, swertihin ako mamaya.
Maserati na.
Bakit di mo ko matras?
Why won't he just listen?
What am I doing wrong? I don't know what to do.
Ano ba tayo? Man, relationships these days seem very hard to come by, right? Everyone seems to be dealing with their own ish. They want commitment and yet they push their partner away. They know what they need to feel loved, but they don't want to seem like they're asking for too much. You know, the usual stuff. I know. Relationships are hard, but it doesn't mean they can't get any better. I'm Nikki Porter, your relationship coach and host of Nuggets of Nikki. The path to better fulfilling relationships is tough and uncomfortable, but if it means to have the kind of connection and intimacy that allows you and your partner to thrive, even in the midst of hardship, then isn't that worth the trip? Don't wait until your favorite person becomes a stranger to realize that, yeah, you could have handled that so much better. Catch the episodes of Nuggets of Nikki, a podcast that shares bite-sized insights from relationship coach Nikki Porter. That's me!
Okay, pero you've also ridden together. Did Toti teach how to ride?
Yeah, he did.
What was that experience?
I crashed. I went to the ER of Cardinal Santos. Nag-practice kami before. I had a mini trail and Toti was on a bicycle in Green Hills in the parking lot.
Karera kami. Naka-bicycle ako.
Karera kami. Slalom.
On the
Biglang,
bicycle.
shocks. Dire-diretso ako sa bangketa. Yun, nasa Cardinal Santos ako. Na ER.
Ano, pakita mo nga yung ganda ng fingers mo.
Ha?
Pakita mo yung
O, tas
diretso mong fingers.
Nag-motocross kami sa racetrack. Sabi niya, nagre-ride na ako nito. So, sabi niya sa akin, I was on a YZ 450.
Wow.
450.
It's a big bike.
So, I was on a 450. So, he said, try it. Para you know how it feels. Sabi niya, just use it like your Ducati. Okay, so me naman, I went around, and then when I got to the whoops is the like that, diba? When I got there, he said,
Wait.
Wala
Sabi ko, go around. Ibig sabihin yung flat ground.
Wala pang cardo nun.
Pinasok ka sa whoop.
That's true.
pagdating ko sa whoops, use it like your Ducati. How do you use your Ducati? You gas it, right? And the whoop, natapos na naman yung whoops. Pero pagdating sa dulo,
Oops.
Tapos nabali yung finger
Nabali
niya.
finger ko.
Kaya tignan mo, pag paganyanin mo siya, hanggang ngayon, baloktot
hindi
yung finger.
naman na. Oo, ito. Yeah. But I'm fine.
Tawa ko si Sir Alberto. Tawa ko si
So the secret is really you're both a little crazy.
Yeah.
That's a secret.
Siya lang,
Don't
siya
you
lang.
think I'm a bit crazy for staying with him 30 years?
You're talking about these accidents na he's obviously siya yung may kasalanan and you're smiling.
Yeah.
That is unique. You have found each other.
Life, diba?
Galing, galing.
You have to
So,
enjoy.
pinagtsagaan niya ako talaga.
No, I think Joy enjoys it.
Yeah, that's life eh. I
Galing.
mean, I really think I'm given a good partner. So I might as well live a good
See,
life
Mark?
with my good-
Ikaw, wala kang believe sa akin. Pakiulit na.
Wala
good
talaga.
partner.
Mark, hindi boy mo nagpa-shoutout.
Si Dong na dyan. Hi,
Oo.
Dong. Pa-shut up. Di shout out. Shut
Hindi,
up.
shut up eh. Pa-shut up.
Shut up daw, idol.
Anak ni Joy and Toti yan.
So since both of you are riding, who's the better rider?
Siyempre siya. Hindi ko kaya mag-wheelie eh. Hindi ako
Pero sa
marunong.
lahat ng Alberto.
Siyempre yung dad. Yung dad.
Dada.
Oo, doon nila nakuha yung talent nila sa dad eh. Diba?
That makes sense.
Oo. So dad pa rin. Pero kung speed, mas mabilis yung mga iba.
Actually, yung daughter namin, si Justin, I had to make her stop riding. You know how good my two boys are, di ba? But when they were young, Justin was a fast motocross rider.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the older girls
She has
say,
no fear.
oo, talagang nakipag-gitan siya kay TJ, kay Troy.
Mhm.
Tapos she had marks on her legs. Sabi, babae yan. Pagtanda niyan, it's gonna be bad. So I had to make her stop.
Kung bicycle lang, when they were growing up, bicycle lang, pagpasok sa corner, maninipa yun. Baka yun sa akin niya nakuha. Yun yata sa akin niya nakuha yun.
So if you guys know how good TJ and Troy is, si Justin, sinisipa lang yung mga kuya niya.
Well, yun nga, yun na-mention ko kanina. Hindi kasi lahat ng couples nakakapag-ride together. So, what can you advise them? Para, kasi since it went well para sa inyong dalawa na together nag-ride kayo. So, what can you advise our viewers na can you encourage them na magmotor together? What does it do to your relationship? Ganon.
So, okay, so advice ko sa mga boys, di ba? Pag meron kang nakitang bike, super gusto mo, talagang dream bike mo,
Regalo mo
iregalo mo sa asawa.
Sa anniversary.
sa asawa mo. Regalo mo sa asawa mo. Ganon.
Ang dami ko nang biniling motor para kay Grace.
Pag naniniwala pa yung asawa mo, meant to be kayo.
De, siguro for me, for me, I think riding bonds us together. It's a thing that we both enjoy doing. But I know that there are times Toti would like to ride alone. So, pag feel ko yun, hindi na ako sama, diba? Iwan na ako. But most of the time naman, gusto niya kasama ako. Kasi taga-empake ako. Taga-empake ako, diba? So, but I think riding for us brings us together. Not just him and me, but I think it brings our family together. It's a bonding thing talaga for our family. And I think we can't take it out of our system. You know, every day when you sit down sa dining table, the conversation's all about motorcycles.
You know, you should join us one time. You know, when my kids are here, pag upo, lahat ng anything about bikes, madi-discuss nyo. Tapos sasabihin mo, I have to go to the office. And then once you get to the office, you talk
Continue
more
the
about
discussion,
bikes.
yeah. So, diba, if you can't beat them, join them. Kailangan it's something that they have passion for and they live for. I think it's good to support. It's
Yeah.
good to support.
Joy's an active back rider. Sometimes she also coaches a bit. And she's the one giving hand signals when
Tsaka,
it's clear.
when they first ride, nung nag-start sila mag-ride, wala pa kasing cardo.
Yeah,
So they're very versed in doing hand signals, ganyan, nakakatuwa.
So, sayang wala si Ken eh. Pero,
Ayan, si Ken.
okay. So, Ken, like, pag anong ibig sabihin if I go like this?
Ano yan?
It's called the chicken dance. So,
Yeah.
kailangan tama yung hawak mo para relax, para you can
Yes,
do the
yeah.
chicken dance.
Oh.
Okay, so Steph, you and your husband,
Yeah.
you work together.
Ikaw naman pag-usapan natin. Kanina pa kami.
You work together, diba? You in the business that you grew together.
Yeah.
Parang may tanong ka rin about how they developed their own business sa motorcycle space, diba?
Yeah. How did the... Sige, regaluhan ko nga yung wife ko ng Panigale V47.
Yan. Yan ang mabait na asawa.
Valentine's
Yan
Day.
ang talagang example ng mabait na husband.
Bigyan mo na rin JP ng Pikes Peak at saka Desert X.
I'm sorry, I think I distracted you guys. Sorry. What are you saying, Steph?
But how did the motorcycle business came to be naman? So, since...
Mahaba
we know
yung
certain-
story namin sa
Mahaba,
motorcycle. But, ikaw, thoughts?
Well, kasi syempre, people know us from what we are now. Diba? Na konting plug, the Ducati guy, the Indian guy, the Beta guy, etc. So, Italjet, very famous scooter. But anyway, pero nung nag-uumpisa kami, no, during the 90s, kami ni Joy would go to Japan and then we'd buy containers of bikes and then kaming dalawa, kaming pipili ng bike, we'd stuff it on the container and then bring it in. And then once it's here, ganun.
Yeah.
We're the ones
To sell
selling
talaga,
it, marketing
pushing
it.
We started actually in the garage of Toti. In backyard business kami talaga. So, when we started in 1991, I think, at that time, we don't have stores like this. We don't have WWR. There's no Access Plus. There's no stores. And the only way is to buy it from the US. There's no internet, diba? So Toti had sisters who live in the US.
That time, even my brother lived there. So
Yeah.
we were 4 in the family.
3 of them lived in the US.
Yeah, so ako lang nasa Philippines. Ako lang yung native.
So they'd send Toti stuff. Mahilig kasi talaga siya magmotor. So they'd send him stuff for his personal use. And then people would start asking, saan mo yan nabili? Ganyan. How can we have? And then
no. She's being nice. Pag nagpunta ka, sasabihin, bilhin
Bilhin
ko
ko
na
na
to. Hinihila na kasi ikaw lang meron. And wala ngang mga stores. So talagang bilhin ko na to like yung helmet mo. Ginaganon. Akin na to. May kaskas na akin na to. Ganun.
May nakwento sa akin. You were like one of the first people na nakita nila sa track naka-full leathers.
Yeah.
And parang pinagtatawanan ka na.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo, ang yabang-yabang, naka-full leathers siya.
True, that's true.
Kasi
In
during the
1990s.
90s, magyayabang lang ako, no? So, before kasi, wala pang nakakapag-knee drag or what. Pero ako, I studied in California Superbike School in the States. Actually, nakakatawa no? Tanong, sasabihin nila, there's this great racer called Keith Code. He founded California Superbike School. Sabi ko, karide ko yun. So, ganun akong ka-dinosaur. yung pinag-uusapan nilang founder, karide ko pa yun.
Twist of the wrist.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
he used to race
Before,
250s before.
Wala pang YouTube eh. So, bibili mo ng book.
Yep.
Twist of the Wrist. And then, it will be supplemented by Betamax. By Betamax.
And then, when you find good products, you will go to the States and then get them?
Yes.
Oh, it started...
We also tried
from
Hong
Ganon.
Kong. Toti and I would go to Hong Kong for the day, for short viajero. We'd fly in the morning, go to the stores, pick up the stuff, and then at night, fly back home. So we really started the business.
Roast
on-
duck, roast pork, the best.
And you guys were married na that time?
We started not yet. When we started, hindi pa. So sa kanya pa yon. Pero nung nagkanasal na kami, sa akin na yun.
And that's how you do it.
Ito pa, speaking, nung di pa kami married, did you know Joy was a very good jet ski racer before?
Racer.
Hindi
Yeah.
naman.
Yeah.
A couple of times lang.
Pero podium finisher.
I did once.
So one time, kunikwento niya sa akin. So nagko-coffee siya ng dad niya, breakfast table. Joy, medyo sunburn ka ata. Sabi ng dad, di ba? Tapos hawak-hawak yung dyaryo. So, syempre, di ba? Front page. Tapos, di ba yung back page? Sports, di ba? Tapos nakalagay doon.
Jet ski.
Jet ski. Tapos si Joy nako. Wins ganyan.
Pagbaba ng dad ko, Dad, pwede mga dyaryo. Tago ko po na
So
yan.
you didn't want them to know.
No, kasi never made paalam.
They didn't know she was back riding on bikes.
Yeah.
And she was racing jet skis on the side. Grabe, pakasama ng boyfriend mo.
when did they finally come to what was the point where they accepted? Na that's who you are.
Oh,
Right?
ano,
And that's who you are.
alam mo yung height? Yung totoo? Sabi ni Joy, I wanna get married. Yan, dinala siya sa Amerika.
You got exiled.
No, we were gonna go on a vacation naman.
Biglaan.
Kinuha yung passport. Hindi mo doon.
It was a planned vacation, but I told them, I'm gonna get married when we come back. My parents were like, seriously? Oh, totoo. Because I planned it. We planned it together without our parents helping out. So when they actually realized that it was serious. Kasi when we were in
Wait,
this,
how many years have you been together at this point?
almost 4 naman na. 3.5 years.
3.5, and you'd already started a business together.
Yes. Yeah. So the business started in like 91. We got married in 1994. So when we were about to leave for the States, I think it was March after school, diba? Nag-college pa ako noon eh. So I told them before we were gonna fly, I told them pagbalik natin kakasal na ako. Ganon lang ako nagpaalam. Ganon kabilis. So parang
Tinago na siya doon sa Amerika.
Mga 3 years siguro yung ticket pabalik, no?
Tapos, while we were there, I told them, I'm going back home. So, why? Siyempre, sinabi ko, kunyari, may summer class ako eh. Pero actually, nag-ready kami ng wedding. So, when they got back, they found out na, I told them, I booked na this, I booked na that, ganyan. So, my parents realized, oh, but I needed my mom to make me the dress, to buy me the dress. So, they realized, okay naman, they supported us eventually.
So that's crazy.
Yeah.
How much you love this guy.
I
don't get it.
Talagang crazy is the term.
I'm saying it, pero I didn't want to say it.
I'm gonna do it all on my own because my parents aren't gonna support me.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna tell them I'm gonna arrange for everything just for him.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was really
Good
young.
job, Dee.
So we wanted it to be a small wedding lang.
Sa racetrack.
Actually,
Maybe yun, hindi na ako talaga pumayag.
so I wanted a small wedding lang sana.
Small naman ah.
Man, even the Senate, the president,
Hindi na-
everyone was there.
Eldest ako eh. I'm
Ito
the
nakakatawa.
eldest.
Ito nakakatawa. So, when I parked my car, I had to park it maybe a kilometer away kasi ang daming kotse. Ito pa nakakatawa. So, ang ginawa ko, nung time na yon, I had this mini pocket bike in the back of the car. So, binaba ko yon, nakabarong ako, so I can go to my wedding. Ang daming security, hindi ako makapasok sa wedding ko.
Baka sadya yun.
Baka sakaling ma-cancel pa.
Gosh, na pala yung
Your parents like,
wedding
don't let
niyo.
this guy in.
Hari, ganun ka, no? Basta kayo, saan kayo?
Can't believe that. Kasal mo yun.
Shit, nakamotor pa ako na yun, di ba? So, parang,
Oh my gosh. That's nice.
So, Steph, Mark, okay. So you guys were together in Thailand for how many days with Silatoti and Joy?
5,
With Gino.
6,
Yes.
Five nights,
6 days.
6 days.
nag-enjoy naman kayong kasama. Ako lang. Nag-enjoy naman kayo. di ba?
Joy's there, you're decent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
What,
siya yung ticket ko.
you know, I'm always, whenever I see them working together, right? Be it Club 200 Endurance, they are such a great team.
Mhm.
No? Si Toti kasi nakukuha sa tingin eh. Diba? Alam mo na
Super.
pag-on-edge na si Joy eh.
Super.
But what were the sweetest, most romantic little things you saw while you
Ako,
guys were in Chiang Mai together?
ano,
With Sila Kenneth
Ako
and
just
Gino.
this sheer determination. Kasi we've ridden together as well in Mongolia. We have some plans for this year. So it's my second international ride. Just the fact how determined Toti is. FJ Moto nga, gusto niya i-backride si Joy.
Tagaligpit ng tent.
So, I mean, just the sheer determination of, I want Joy here. Kailangan backride si Joy. In all our rides, first thing he asks is, kaya ba i-backride si Joy? So doon pa lang, parang sweet na kagad si Toti. At kami naman, we're happy.
Parang yung
because-
kalinga natin, di ba? Wala raw off-road, pwede kong i-backride si Joy,
Yeah.
di ba? Doon nalaman ni Joy, ganong kasinungaling si Mark.
100 meters lang yun.
500
Kilometro
meters
pala.
yun.
No, kasi, no more than.
Ako naman, this is actually one of the things na what made me think of them as an ideal couple.
Wow, thank you.
For the 2 times that I've ridden with them, what I noticed is that they're really very thoughtful of each other. I think, parang it's not just considerate, it's thinking about the other person first before doing anything. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko sa kanila. Everywhere they go, they know, si Toti, he's hungry na. Si Joy, he doesn't like this. She doesn't like this. Si Toti, medyo antok na yan. Si Joy, gusto niya ganito. They're very thoughtful of each other. And I think that's something that made the relationship lasted. Kasi all those years, Sir Toti thought what will make Miss Joy happy. And Miss Joy thought of what...
Emo and track days.
yun daw. But, ayun, I think it's the supporting each other. It's a thoughtfulness for me. Yun talaga yung nakita kong sana ganyan din. Ganon.
Si Hana, sabi ko sa'yo, maswerte ka
ano,
sa akin eh.
Hindi Willie King tawag na. Wee King. Ihi ng ihi palagi. The Wee King.
The
So,
Wee
dalawa lang yan.
King.
It's either naiihi si Toti or gutom siya. Ganun. Wee King.
Yeah. Even the food, ayaw niya ni Toti. Very, ganito, super ganyan.
Steak lang
ito
gusto
gusto
niya.
Steak lang, ganyan.
Fried rice lang, tsaka chicken wings. Ano nga ba yung chicken wings sa Thai?
Thai chicken wings.
See? Gustong-gusto nilang pagtawanan ako. Then, happy sila, di ba? Yan ang silbi ko sa buhay.
What I've really noticed, and whenever I see you together, and in motorcycle events, and what really, honestly, more than the bikes, what got me to get a Desert X, and aside from yung budol ni Mark, is really you two eh.
Wow.
No, because
See, may kaibigan ako.
Listen, Mark, listen, Mark.
there's no job too small when it comes to taking care of your customers, building the community. You guys do everything eh. Diba? Hindi kayo yung bossing, hindi ganyan yan. Yung ganon. Or diba, taga speech lang. You guys do everything
I guess
for your customers, for the Ducati, the Italjet, the Indian riders.
it's because Toti's a real rider talaga. I mean, for him, I believe, he's a rider more than a businessman. And that's where I come in. That's the compatibility in our
Siya yung
business.
abaco side ng
There are pros and
equation.
cons.
Yes. Ako yung konsyensya, diba? Kasi, rider siya talaga eh. He's really a rider. He really loves the riders. He sees them more like riding buddies than customers. That's why, for him, it's second nature to help them out. So, ako yung sa kabilang side nun. I'd have to compliment him with that in order for the business to
thrive.
happen.
thrive.
To thrive, yeah.
Translation is,
Ako tagapigil.
siya tingapigil kung hindi malulugi kami kasi puro good time.
Siya yung adult.
Oo.
You need to have
Kasi
an adult.
kung mag-support at mamigay, 100%, 101 pa eh. So ako nga yung tagapigil.
Alam mo,
Bad cop, good cop.
Oo.
feeling ko, grabe na ilang beses na mapapamak si Sir Toti. Pag hindi sinabi ni Miss Joy, Han, don't do that na. Han, wag na. Han, ganyan. Kasi Sir Toti tuloy-tuloy siya. Parang si Miss Joy talaga is the ultimate brake system ni Sir Toti. As in,
ABS.
yes.
Pero yun, talaga, yung sinasabi mo, it's not work for him talaga. It's riders nga ang tingin niya kasi more than customers.
You know, ako, I really thank God every day for I can't say it's a job, I can't say it's a business. Because whatever I am doing every day, I love it so much. I don't feel like I'm working. So even if I'm with Mark, I'm happy. Talaga. I mean, everything is a blessing. Kahit kasama mo siya, blessing pa din. Di ba?
Basta kasama si Joy.
Basta nandyan si Joy, lahat gumaganda.
Yeah.
So, totoo yan. And I really enjoyed being with Mark. Ikaw palagi kang umiiwas sa amin
Hindi ako sasama sa iyo, no?
Sabi nga niya, sasama ako sa inyo next time, Mark, pag di sila kasama. Bakit tayo mo kami kasama?
That's a big misconception.
Oo,
Yeah.
totoo yan.
He rides fast, but he'll take care of you up to a certain
That's
point.
true. That's very
Pero he'll actually be very patient. After, then he will make paalam when he can't take it.
Yeah.
Then he'll do his own thing.
Ano
But
muna ako, mag-BRE muna
Pero
ako.
maalaga.
Pero,
No,
yung mga
he'll give you lessons on the spot.
Oo.
Ask Ken. Si Ken. Ang laki ng
message sa akin
interview.
kasama si Pastor Sam, si Master Ray. O iba sama ka, I'm like, I don't think so.
Ito serious to. So, di ba, we're going to Mongolia. And then,
Yeah.
Joy wants to ride.
Yeah.
Di ba?
We're going.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Opportunity. I'm not
After all
kidding.
of her stories with you? I'm just kidding. But one of these days for sure. Oh, Steph, in your list of what is there anything we didn't cover?
Yeah. Is there something that annoys you pa when you're together?
Nakita mo yung
the thing-
t-shirt namin?
What annoys you with each other? Meron pa ba?
Siyempre, meron pa.
Share niyo.
Marami.
Meron,
Kasi-
but we make
kasi
jokes out of it.
Yung,
Yeah.
yung podcast natin ngayon are all about good stuff about you both. So, is there anything that annoys you? Share nyo naman sa
A
kanya.
lot. A lot, siyempre.
Ano ba yun?
No,
Like, magwiwili
Isang episode yun.
bigla-bigla?
No. Marami pa rin talaga. Pero ako, inisip ko, hindi naman ako, mainis pa ba ako? Waste of time kung mainis ako, diba? Pag inis ka, just go out of the room. Later na ulit kayo magkita. Later na
Just
kayo
go out
mag-usap.
of the room, call your travel agent, book a flight.
Yeah.
Ganun lang
Diba?
naman.
Or, go inside your room, turn on the TV, watch Netflix. Diba? Ganun.
How about sa ride? How do you deal with that kapag kunyari nagkakainisan
Ay, hindi
kayo?
kami nagkakainisan sa ride.
Ah.
Kailangan hindi kami magkainisan sa ride because it's not a healthy experience if
That's true.
and it's not safe.
It's gonna
Kunyari,
bump din the
Yeah.
ride.
Yeah.
So, hindi
You
kami
need all the brain power to keep yourselves alive. You know naman how difficult riding is. So we have to be always on top
So
of the
pag
game.
nag-ride pala kayo, extra patient with each other.
nag-enjoy kami kasi talaga.
So,
Nag-enjoy kami talaga. And I think, kasi hindi naman kami like, kahit saan mo kami ilagay, lagay mo kami sa 5-star hotel, lagay mo kami sa no star, lagay mo kami sa wherever, we're okay. Pakainin mo kami sa restaurant, sa tabi-tabi, sa karinderya, we're okay. So I think the experience is too much fun para magkaroon kami ng annoying experience during the ride. Yeah.
And I think I can officially say mas cowboy ka kaysa kay Tony.
Diba?
Oo, no?
Wala.
Oo, no? Oo.
Ganun ba yun? I didn't know that.
Banyo in the desert. Freestyle.
Ginawa ko din yun.
So,
Ay,
mas
hindi natin
first class
pwedeng
pala yung
i-share
mga
yun
requirements
dito.
ni Toti kaysa kay Joy.
Hindi naman, pagkain lang yung kailangan ni Sir Toti. Basta may pagkain, masaya na siya.
Ang sabi ni Raymond Gabriel, by heart Ducati kami ni Malu.
Kasi
Thank
Sorry.
you,
Kasi
thank you.
Malu rides a monster eh. So
Raymond also sa
Diabel.
Diabel.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero,
Ay, yeah, go ahead po.
and then ito, how would you describe the marriage
As
as a
a
ride? Kay Mr. Reyes. So, ano ba? Diretsong maayos o lubak-lubak? Mga ganun ka.
So, ano?
Marilake ba yan? O S-Lex?
FJ.
Baka FJ.
Talagang may ups and downs, parang motocross.
No, we have we're good. We have I think cheesy na to.
No!
Sige na,
Ay,
Valentine's Day
Ito yung
naman.
magsasabi kung may 31st pa kami.
No,
Valentine's Day naman.
I think the Lord gave me a very no one is perfect, but I think He gave me the right one for me. So I think I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm very happy. And we really talaga each other. Diba, Han? Sabi mo yes.
Yes. I have to.
Parang nabibalitan ko na.
I have to agree. I mean, for all the guys out there, no? So, ilang years tayo bago tayo kinasal?
3.5.
3.5, 4 years.
How many years in exile sa US?
No. Months
Kasi
lang, months
3
lang.
taon siya na pinatago eh. So, before getting married, kailangan siguraduhin mo na okay yung wife mo. Maganda yun nga, mag-ride out kayo. Not all good things. makikita mo kung kaya. 'Di ba? Kasi pag mukhang hindi kayo magkakasundo, huwag nyo nang tuloy. Kasi kung hindi magiging forever yung marriage nyo. 'Di ba?
Wow. Now, you know,
Sisigurado ako may 31st kami.
what I realized after hearing it from you, iba yung relationship that is open and authentic about the challenges you face.
Mhm.
Diba? It sucks if it's just all SLEX,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
Oh,
You
ano
need a
naman.
bit of FJ,
Yeah.
you need a bit of all of these things to see the real you.
Yeah.
And the fact that you've broken so many of her limbs and she's had to go to the hospital so many times really exposed the real who you both are.
Yeah.
What was he like when he brought you to the hospital? Or how concerned he was?
Yeah.
All of these things need to come out.
And he has brought a lot of our sons to the hospital.
No, you can't baby it.
Yeah.
Diba? It makes you stronger.
And kasi parang for me, when you're going out pa lang, mag-boyfriend pa lang kayo, nagliligawan na kayo, you always want to spend time with each other. You always find time to go out on a date. That should not stop you when you get married. I think, for me, kailangan, parang kailangan girlfriend mo pa rin siya or parang boyfriend mo pa rin siya. So that it will always be exciting. It has to be exciting all the time. And we take care of our kids, but for me, I would always go with my husband before my kids. So I'm never scared. My kids are all grown now, except for one. But they all grew up. Na-realize ko nung COVID, natuwa sila. Ngayon lang daw kami lagi na sa bahay. Oh, hindi, lagi naman kami sa bahay. No, you weren't. So, I think they grew up being okay. And, I would go with Toti more often than, marami kasi sasabihin, buti na iwan mo mga anak mo. It's because I need to be with him. He's my husband. So, he's my first choice. So, that's something na I think
Eldest child.
Yes. Kasi kailangan niya ng mother. Kailangan niya ng guidance.
He needs you more than baby.
Kailangan niya guidance.
No, the fact that you don't baby your kids. Like, that's a lot. I mean, I don't have kids, thank God. But a lot of people nowadays, they put their kids in a bubble.
Yeah.
You guys don't. You challenge them. You push
Yes.
them.
And I think they need to see their parents have a good relationship in order for them to have their own good
Yeah.
relationship. Diba?
Kasi parang kunyari as a girl or as a daughter, I want to look for the characteristics of my dad dun sa
Yes.
magiging partner ko.
Oo.
So as a dad, you should be a good example to your daughter. Parang that's how
Tandaan
I
mo
see
yun.
Yeah. Kasi kayo yung closest na makikita niya in terms of relationship.
Pag hindi nagpakasal si Justin,
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na bakit?
Alam mo na bakit.
Oh, Steph, ask the question of the night.
Sa akin ba manggagaling?
Oh,
Well, we asked them this to all our guests, and since both of you are really good riders, what is it or ano ang definition para sa inyo ng isang tunay na rider?
At tunay na mahal.
Tunay na mahal.
well, kung magkasama kayo the whole day, whole night, at hindi pa kayo naliligo, tunay na rider kayo.
Si Bak, tunay na tunay.
Mga ilang days kaya yung kayo?
sa Mongolia, winter, walang ligo-ligo.
Punas-punas lang eh.
Yon, kagaya nun, Mongolia kami. So, I would heat water for her, bringing it in the room, diba?
It's the
It's
thoughtfulness
little
talaga.
The little things.
Mhm.
For me, siya ang tunay kong rider.
Ah!
Happy Valentine's, everybody!
Sinara.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.